Alright, so installing the runtime for the Oculus Rift DK2. This is my last attempt at trying to get this machine to work. It's been very complicated to find and research what bits and pieces need to be downloaded to get things to run. And I went over that in my previous video. So this is the last attempt at trying to get something to work here. While I'm waiting for that to happen, I'm going to take a quick look at some of the downloads, and I'm going to try to see. I'm not sure what's going on with that. I tried to open another program and it didn't do anything at all. Please wait while Windows configures the Oculus display driver. Sure, go ahead. So I heard some very good things about this device if you get it to work, but I also heard that it's pretty much impossible to get it to run. And I think that seems to be the case. So I'm trying to run it on an HP G72. Came with Windows 7. It had a decent Intel Pentium processor. So, not the worst of machines, but I'm not getting any luck. I also had installed, I believe, 8 gigabytes of RAM, which back then was a big deal. Wow, this configuration is taking a long time. See, it's running right here, the Oculus runtime. This other installer is not doing anything, even though I did try to run it. Well, we'll just get rid of it, maybe, I don't know. Firefox is doing its thing. It's taking up a lot of bandwidth for no reason. Yeah, install it. I don't know why you would say no after you spent this much time installing stuff. Fine. I will close all the other tabs because just speed things up. It's so slow. Why is Firefox still running even though it's off? I have closed all of Firefox. Oh, it finally updated, I guess. Alright, finish. Fantastic. Oh, why don't you just... Oh, boy. Alright, it's going to want me to restart. See you in the next video.